everyone, welcome to online classes. I am Ranu Chaturvedi, your maths teacher. Last day I sent you video related to the explanation of odd numbers and even numbers. So I hope you all understood what are odd numbers and what are even numbers. So let's proceed with its exercise today. Activity 12 on the page number 23. So pair the objects and find whether they are even or odd in numbers. So here some pictures are given, you can see here for each point. So here are three columns. First column is of objects. So in first column objects are given and second columns is of number. So in second column you will write numbers, total numbers of these objects, and in third column you will write they are even or odd. So let's start. So here the first point is already done, where what are the total numbers of objects. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So the total number of objects will be 9. Now you have to find out is it even or odd. So here number 9 made 4 complete pairs. You can see in the picture 1 pair, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 complete pairs are there, but 1 is left. So according to the properties of odd numbers don't make exact number of pairs. So in odd numbers something will be left, like here 1 is left, something will be left to be pair. So this is odd number because 1 is left here. Now let's check the another point. Here some bananas are given. Let's count how many are these. 1 2 3 4 5. Now here what is the total number of bananas? Let's count 1 2 3 4 5. So there are total 5 bananas. Here we will write 5 in number column. Now in next step we will make pairs, like 1 pair. So here 2 pairs have been made and 1 is left. So it is not a complete pair because 1 is left here. So those numbers which does not make complete pair, they are called odd numbers. So this 5 will be odd numbers. So it will be odd number. Now here in the third point some toffees are given. Now let's count how many toffees are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So the total number of toffees here 15. Now let's make its pair. So here is the first pair. Now here also some toffees are left to be pair. It is also not making complete pairs, so it will also be odd. Now there are 3 balloons in fourth point. So the total number of balloons are 3. Now let's make its pair. So here only 1 pair is there and it is also not making complete pair as 1 is left here, 1 balloon is left. So it will also be odd number. Now here some pictures of birds are given. Now let's check how many birds are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here 6 total birds are. So the total number of birds is 6. Now let's make its pair. Here you can see there are 3 complete pairs. So this is making complete pair, nothing is left here. So it will be even number. Why? Because according to the property of even number, it makes exact number of pairs. It makes complete pair without leaving any number. So it will be even number. Now turn the page. Now open the next exercise on the page number 24. Here in the first exercise, a grid is given. Now let's come to its questions. Color the boxes with even numbers yellow. So here first you have to find out which are even number in this grid. Then you will color those boxes of even numbers with yellow color. Okay. So how would you find out which one is even number and which one is odd number? Let's understand even numbers with some examples. According to the rule or properties of even number, those number will be even number which are ending with these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 should be at the end of the number, or we can say these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 should be placed at ones. Now let's start with the first example. So first number 2 is given. So 2 is even or not, let's check. So according to the property or rule of even number should be end with these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, means these number should be come at its end. So this number 2 is started or ended with this number 2. So with this digit 2, because so this number is ending with digit 2 because this is a single number, and this single digit 2 is its starting digit, and this is also its ending digit because this is a single number. So as 2 here 2 is its ending digit, so it will be even number. Now the another number is 12, where this number is ending with the digit 2. So according to the properties of even number, these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 should be come at the end of the number. So this number is ending with 2, as here 2 is given in its property. So this number also be even number. As same in 36, this number is ending with the digit 6. So where 6 is here at its end, so this will also be even number, as according to its properties 0 should be there at the end of the number. So this number is ending with 0, so it will also be even number. So where these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, these digits will come at the end of any number, those number will be even number. So here 2, 2, 6, 0 are coming at the end of the numbers, so these number will be even numbers. Now let's check what are odd numbers. So according to the rule or the properties of odd numbers, those number should be end with these digits. So these digits like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 should be come at the end of the number. So let's start from this. So this number is 1. This is single number which is started with 1 and ended with 1. So its ending number is what? Its ending number is 1. So this is as this is its ending number, so it will be odd because according to its property 1 should be come at its end. So here 1 is there at its end, so it will be odd number. Now let's check the next example. 23 number is given, where digit 3 is there at the end of this number. So according to the properties of odd numbers, the number should be end with these digits. So where 3 is given, so 3 is here at the end of its number, so this number also will be odd number. So in this way we can easily find out which one is even number and which one is odd number. So here in this grid, which are even numbers? 4, 10, 12, 18 and 24. Here 32, 36, 40. Why? Because this these numbers are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Like here 4 is ending with digit 4, and here 10 is ending with digit 0, and here 12 is ending with digit 2. Here 18 is ending with digit 8, and here 24 is ending with digit 4, and here 32 is ending with digit 2, and here 36 is ending with digit 6, and here 40 is ending with digit 0. So these all are even numbers. Now you will color these boxes of even numbers with yellow color. Okay, now come to the next. Color the boxes with odd numbers, blue. Now here you can easily find out which numbers are odd. Like here 7, 9, 11 and 15, 21, 23, 29 and 43 are odd numbers. Why? Because according to the properties of odd numbers, number should be end with the digit 3, 5, 7, 9. So here number 7 is ending with digit 7, 9 is ending with digit 9, and 11 is ending with digit 1, and 15 is ending with digit 5, and 23 is ending with digit 3, and 29 is ending with digit 9, and 43 is ending with digit 3. As they are fulfilling the properties of odd numbers, so they are odd numbers because they are ending with digits 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now the smallest even number. Which one is the smallest even number here? 4. In this grid, the smallest even number is 4 here. So we'll write here 4. And the largest odd number is. So among all the odd numbers, which one is largest? Let's find out. So these 43, here 43 is the largest odd number here. Now let's come to the next exercise. Tick correct whether the given numbers are even or odd. So here numbers are given. Here you have to check either they are even or odd. If they are even, then tick correct column in even number, and if they are odd, then tick correct column in odd number. Like 63 is odd here and 72 is even here. So I hope you all can do this exercise easily. So this is your homework. Please do your homework by yourself. Thank you.